y'all, I'm Sharon with Southern Bella Home. Thank you for coming by to see me today. I've been out in the garden all morning pulling out a lot of the old summer vegetables and things that are no longer producing, getting my mind set on what's coming up in the fall for the fall garden. But it is still summer, y'all. It is July and there's a lot of summer left here in the South. I don't know about where you are, but it won't be cold until maybe mid-November, if even then. Sometimes on Thanksgiving, it's warm enough for us to eat outside. A few weeks back, I showed you a tour of this old farmhouse decorated in patriotic decor, all fixed up for the patriotic holidays of summer. Well, once those were passed, my mind kind of drifted to something else I wanted to use in my decorating. I am a girl that loves the beach. I really love to go to the beach every summer, and it really doesn't feel like summer if I don't get to go to the beach. This year, we took a 2-week-long road trip all up the eastern coast. We saw so many things. We even went all the way up to Niagara Falls with our boys and just went all over the place. So I really don't know if a week-long beach vacation is in the cards for us this year. However, I know that we do go and visit one of our relatives on the coast of Georgia in September. With that in mind, I decided to pull out all my seashells and all of my sea treasures that I've collected over the years and decorate this old farmhouse with kind of a coastal vibe. And I'm really enjoying it. Now, you may say, why does that matter? You are a homestead with vegetables and you're trying to get lots of other systems going with chickens and bees and all those things. Why does decorating matter? Well, I believe that everybody has to have some type of outlet, something they do just for relaxation because they enjoy it. And decorating is one of those things for me, y'all. It's just kind of a restful activity that kind of rejuvenates me, energizes me, and just kind of gets my creative juices flowing. I love the way it feels when the house has something fresh and new done to it. So I know that this is not everyone's cup of tea, but I truly do enjoy changing things out in this old farmhouse, giving it a new look every now and then, and just trying to make it a warm, inspiring, cozy, fun place to be, and a lovely place to come home to. So today I'm going to show you around and show you the simple changes that I made. I didn't do anything fancy. I just put shells and sand dollars and starfish and things that I've collected over the years. I just put those in some of my milk glass and some of my old antique dishes. I just displayed them here and there with some other things I had. I didn't go to the store. I didn't buy anything. And to me, I think that even makes it more of a creative process when you use what you have and you make use of things that are just in storage. So I hope you enjoy the tour and take a look around and see if you can use some of these ideas in your own home. I hope y'all enjoyed that little tour. See, I didn't really do anything fancy. I just pulled out my collections and just kind of scattered them all about the house. But you know, it doesn't take much to make home feel a little bit special. You know, summer is special. All of God's creation that He makes that has anything to do with the ocean is just a delight to me. I love to collect it. I go shelling every single time I go to the beach. So I really enjoyed pulling all that out and getting to look at it and enjoy it, and for the rest of the family to enjoy it too, and just keep things lighthearted and fun around the house. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tour, and if you're not a subscriber and you enjoyed it, I'd ask you to go ahead and subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family, and also ring that notification bell icon and you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps me more than you know. And I hope that you'll come back to see me real soon. I'll have more coming up all about home and homestead. We'll be talking to you soon, friends. Bye.